High CPC keyword for YouTube Blogs 2023 update. High CPC keyword were very important for increasing YouTube blogger site AdSense earning in 2023. If you can choose the right keyword, you will not prefer income from your dreams website and YouTube channel. So here I am going to share with you some people the best high CPC keyword of 2020 which will increase to revenue of your YouTube channel. Website service times. Hopeful this post of will great resource for you. YouTube high CPC keyword list in Google AdSense for 2023. For YouTube blog and site also there are high CPC playing keyword in this Google AdSense earning. The latest is give below on the different broadcastical and noise. So here we have selected the most expensive keyword for the latest of YouTube channel and website. By looking at them, you can increase of the CPC rate of YouTube channel and website. Best high CPC keyword Google AdSense show in traffic shown and behind that at this in the keyword. You utilize the can give a lot of CPC cost of per click along the license you are not getting too much paid and this cannot be implied that your site CPC is extremely low in just when are you acquiring for Google AdSense in where that in the region we will there will great region high playing keyword and AdSense in line there we will see PCOA of them we will effectively equally and largest number for dollars. However, you can utilize choose the word and suggesting on the ground of there a great and cannot for them then point. You will actually fill an extension keyword. The long time then adversarial and really time will actually want to production document some for here. Where can find a high CPC keyword? Search of Google with high CPC keyword and by market research. Then you visit page and find out the risk analysis of your blog and YouTube channel. Or you visit directly here to get high CPC keyword latest. What is the high value of keyword? High value keyword means expensive costing and keyword per click. How long find I high CPC keyword? Go to the page and market. Rush head high CPC keyword the list. Then where can see there are a lot high CPC keyword with a different and category.